Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi TT RS versus VW Golf R, which is better. Follow along and listen closely as we break down engine character, handling feel, interior quality, fuel economy, and running costs to help you pick the right hot hatch or coupe for your life. I aim to give clear takeaways on comfort, track potential, and common ownership pros and cons for realistic decisions. In this video, I will compare Audi TT RS versus VW Golf R, which is better. We will test acceleration, mid-range pull, and how each car feels at the limit so you know what driving personality suits you. Expect notes on 0-60 bursts, turbo lag or spool, steering feedback, and chassis balance. I will also cover brake performance, transmission behavior, and how each setup translates to spirited drives and commute comfort. In this video, I will compare Audi TT RS versus VW Golf R, which is better. Quick recommendation. If you love road trips in either car, these leak-proof containers keep food secure and prevent sticky messes after spirited drives. They stack neatly and pass indoor cup holders for easy snacking between corners. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. And if this helped, please like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Audi TT RS versus VW Golf R, which is better. We examine cargo, seating, insurance, fuel costs, and typical maintenance bills to estimate real ownership impact. I cover tire and brake wear differences, fuel efficiency in mixed driving, and how resale value and demand affect long-term costs. That practical lens helps you decide if you need weekend thrills or daily versatility from your next car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.